Welcome to this comprehensive training on racks and cabinets. We'll cover open frame racks, cabinet racks, accessories, and important terminology to help you understand Budd Industries rack offerings. Let's start with the fundamental 19-inch rack standard. This standardized frame or enclosure is designed for mounting multiple equipment modules, with each module having a 19-inch wide front panel including mounting ears. Relay racks, also known as telco or two-post racks, are an economical option for mounting equipment. They're particularly suited for telecom industry, IT departments, and test stations. Budd offers our two-post rack in both steel and aluminum, which Budd's part numbering system signifies with an ARR prefix for the aluminum relay racks and an RR prefix for steel relay racks. Do you need a powder-coated option or just natural aluminum finish? We have that. Two-post racks are the most economical option for mounting equipment, as it offers no frills but a place to mount your products. These are often used in IT departments and where research and development occurs. Half-height relay racks come in various forms, including tabletop racks for trade shows and workbenches, wall mount racks for room controls, and swing frame racks for control applications. RR1249 is an example. The knockdown BSR and XR2 models offer unique advantages. They ship flat in a single carton, can be shipped via UPS, and feature EIA-spaced holes and cable management slots. These can be put together on site, but also stored in a small space when not in use, saving valuable space. The XR2 is a two-post rack, where the BSR or Budd Stack rack is a cube-like item that can be stacked vertically or horizontally, giving you a lot of flexibility in your storage. Most cabinet racks, including those from Budd Industries, feature 19-inch wide panel space, welded frame construction, and adjustable panel mounting rails. They can support up to 1,200 pounds when properly supported. Budd's economizers only ship with one set of panel mounting rails, but a second set of panel mounting rails, part numbers with the prefix PMR, can be purchased if the equipment is heavy or needs to be attached at the front and back. Let's look at our standard cabinet rack options: the value rack, economizer, and other specialized models. Each serves different needs and price points. Budd's economizer rack, or ER series, is the most modifiable and also holds up well in industrial settings. These can all be offered in various powdered colors, which we powder or paint in our factory in Willoughby, Ohio. We will highlight these after going over some more of the terminology. Understanding key rack terminology is crucial to being able to specify the rack the customer is looking for. We'll cover terms like U measurement, panel space, rack height and depth, mounting rails, and ventilation requirements. Here we go. Let's look at how U measurements are applied in practice, from 1U single units to larger 4U half-rack configurations. Customers may need panels that are multiple U in height, but also could have items like large power supplies that are mounted that may take up 12U. Panel space refers to the vertical height of the rack that is available to hold equipment or panels and is measured in U or inches. A 45U rack equals 78.33 inches, and manufacturers maintain standard panel spaces in multiples of 1.75 inches. Rack height differs from panel height, affecting maneuverability and space requirements. The overall height typically only matters when it is in a room with a short ceiling, and panel height is more important since it signifies how much space is available. While panel space is typically 19 inches, overall width varies to accommodate cable management needs. Customers often use the space between the panel mounting rails and the sides to drop cable, which allows the cables to be separated during an install. At least one pair of mounting rails is required for equipment installation. Heavier or larger products may need two pairs, and rails can support various components including shelves. Anything that is made to be rack mountable can go on Budd's PMR mounting rails. If you are selling or frankly buying a rack, we sell items like a chassis that can be used in design applications to house components and boards. Budd's Value Line product demonstrates typical rack mountable equipment. Note the mounting ears and width compatibility with 19-inch racks. Remember, Budd can also modify for cutouts for LCD screens, LEDs, switches, push buttons, indivators, or other controls. Large racks are sealed spaces requiring careful consideration of cooling. As equipment is added, ventilation becomes crucial through louvered or perforated sides, tops, doors, and fan systems. Engineers typically understand their cooling needs. The Value Rack is Bud's lowest-cost welded cabinet rack featuring fully welded construction, fixed front panel mounting rails, and various ventilation options. Please note that the vertical mounting function is built into the frame and not a separate rail for the VR Series Value Rack. The Economizer is our best-selling standard rack, built on a frame with removable sides and rear door, featuring adjustable mounting rails and ventilation options. The front door is sold as an accessory and can be solid steel or plexiglass. Refer to Bud's website for part numbers and a full list of accessories. Let's examine the Economizer's construction with its modular design, allowing for easy assembly and maintenance. The image shows how accessories would fit in the ER Series Economizer. Bud's higher style racks all in one category includes the Bud Rack Professional, or the BRP series, and Server Rack Professional series, which is the SRP series, offering premium features and aesthetics. The Server Rack Professional series combines high style and extra features at an amazing price point. Online resources are available for customer support. Key features on the SRP series include split rear door for easy access, fully vented doors, in front and back, and included other components all under one part number. It also includes 2 removable sides that create an easy way to install components or servers. The series includes up to 2 shelves depending on rack height and a fan box with 4 fans for optimal cooling. Additional features include cable access base, adjustable mounting rails with unique U-location notching, and up to 6 cable brackets. The rails are numbered for ease of installation. The Bud Rack Professional series offers great features and high style at an affordable price point and fully assembled for shipping. Features include vented glass front door, ventilated rear door, fan boxes, and vented shelves, all designed for optimal cooling and accessibility. The cabinet line includes Vision Cab, Emperor, and narrow wall mount options in our WNC series, like a WNC 5631, targeting markets such as small servers, controllers, and data communications. This would be used when they don't want a cabinet sticking out of the wall and is for items like networking equipment, which is not very deep. Bud's wall mount Emperor series, also known as the WM series, features include dual fans, 3-section construction, tempered glass door, and various mounting options. The wall mount cabinet Emperor series comes in standard heights and depths, targeting factory floor, data centers, and laboratory applications. Bud Industries offers complete custom solutions including seismic data center racks, designed and manufactured in the USA. Our custom seismic racks are designed for server farms and have been formally tested to withstand 1,000 and 2,000 pounds loads, with some of our custom racks designed to meet Zone 4 seismic conditions. Here are examples of our custom rack solutions, showcasing various configurations and applications to meet specific customer needs. Understanding rack mounting is crucial. Any rack-mountable equipment can be installed in a Bud rack, and it's important to ask the right questions about placement and requirements. When selecting a rack, consider key questions about location and dimensions. The installation location determines size and style, while equipment size determines panel space and depth requirements. Any electronic, electrical, or automation component that is rack-mountable will go into a rack. If the item has tabs or ears made to attach to a rack, we should be asking about the rack itself. This includes products such as servers, networking equipment, patch panels, shelves, drawers, power hubs, testing equipment, distribution units, cooling and heating components, and cable management. Personal or consumer items like stereo and media equipment, speakers, Wi-Fi connectivity, personal computers, telephony, or additional security. Aesthetics and budget are important considerations. Style and color choices are matters of taste, while budget guidelines help us provide appropriate quotations. We offer various modification options including cutouts, shielding, custom dimensions, special colors, and silk screening or digital printing on panels to meet specific requirements. Accessories enhance your rack's functionality, providing storage, security, cable management, cooling solutions, and mounting capabilities. The key takeaway is, Bud can be a partner for any 19-inch rack or cabinet design, and we are here to assist with the design and the physical production. Reach out at 440-946-3200.